Looking for the perfect robot buddy for your curious kid? These amazing STEM-powered robotic toys are fun, smart, and built for adventure. Let's check out the best robot kits for kids in 2025. From dragon banks to code-cracking droids. The Makeblock MBot 2 is a high-tech education-grade coding robot for kids aged 8 to 12 and up. It features AI support, sensors for line following and obstacle detection, voice recognition, and a customizable interface. Kids can begin coding with Scratch 2.0 visual blocks and gradually move to Python, providing a learning path that grows with their skill level. Built on a durable metal frame with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the MBot 2 also integrates with Makeblock's MBlock software and is compatible with PCs, tablets, and Chromebooks. It's ideal for classrooms, homeschooling, or any tech-savvy kid who's ready to dive into real robotics. The Sphero Mini may look small, but it's packed with tech. This ping-pong-sized robot ball features a gyroscope, accelerometer, LED lights, and Bluetooth connectivity, and it can be programmed with Scratch blocks or JavaScript in the Sphero Edu app. Kids can drive it like an RC car, design maze challenges, or play mini games with it right on their phones or tablets. It's perfect for teaching the basics of coding and problem solving in a fun, portable way. With its durable shell and educational value, the Sphero Mini is ideal for kids 8+ and tech-loving teens. The Demkia 5-in-1 Robot Kit is perfect for kids who love construction and remote-controlled toys. It includes 560 pieces that can be used to build 5 different robot designs, including a mech walker, tank, tracked robot, and more. Once built, kids can control their creation via a dedicated mobile app or included remote with responsive movement and light effects. It supports basic coding logic through app-based commands and encourages mechanical thinking, hand-eye coordination, and creativity. Great for kids aged 8 to 14 who want hours of build and play time, especially those transitioning from Lego-style sets to robotics. The BottleBoom 13-in-1 Solar Robot Kit is a hands-on way to introduce kids to renewable energy and mechanical engineering. It includes over 190 parts and detailed guides to build 13 different robot types, from animal-like walkers to futuristic rovers. What sets it apart? These robots are powered entirely by solar energy, so no batteries are needed. The kit features movable joints, gears, and solar panels, and encourages experimentation by letting kids disassemble and rebuild in multiple ways. Best for ages 8 to 12, it's ideal for science fair projects, homeschool activities, or outdoor STEM exploration. The Thames Kosmos Robotic Dragon Bank Kit combines STEM learning with mythical fun. Kids ages 8 and up build a mechanical dragon that actually moves when you insert a coin. It teaches the basics of electric circuits, motor mechanics, and motion sensors, all wrapped in an exciting fantasy theme. The kit includes step-by-step illustrated instructions and introduces kids to engineering logic and construction concepts in a way that's hands-on and entertaining. Perfect as a birthday gift, this toy encourages saving money, learning how machines work, and sparks imaginative play at the same time. Which one would your child build first? Tell us in the comments. You'll find all product links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun tech toys and STEM gift guides. Until next time, keep building, keep exploring.